Where does the name for Braichmelyn come from? So today I'm on the edge of Bethesda in Gwynedd, and this settlement behind me here, and this hill and woods as well, is called Braichmelyn. Let's get into the name.
The name Braichmelyn is composed of two elements. The first, Braich, usually means an arm, but in a geographical context, it can also describe a spur or a ridge extending from a mountain. The word derives from Middle Welsh breich, from Proto-Brythonic brech, and ultimately from the Latin brachium, meaning a forearm. Interestingly, brachium itself was borrowed from ancient Greek brachion, meaning an upper arm. Then we have melyn, which means yellow. The term melyn is likely related to mel, meaning honey, reflecting a similar warm golden tone.
And that braich would be this spur of the carneddau here behind me.
The yellow in Braichmelyn may refer to the colour of the vegetation on the ridge, or perhaps to the quality of the soil, suggesting land that was less fertile for cultivation. The modern settlement of Braichmelyn is formed around two principal roads, Braichmelyn itself and Rhes James. Rhes James is composed largely of single-storey workers' cottages, whilst the north side of Braichmelyn features later two-storey houses, contrasting with the older cottages to the south. Just beyond the village lies the remains of a small medieval tower, Tyn Tŵr, literally tower cottage. This structure may correspond to Tŵr Abercaseg, recorded in 1254, which once guarded the Ogwen crossing and the approach to Nant Francon. The tower later passed into the hands of the Griffiths family of Penrhyn in 1458.
So the name literally means yellow ridge or yellow spur. Anyway, diolch, thank you. Give us a like, give us a share and give us a subscribe. And if you want to support me on my quest to explain every place name in Wales, and a couple outside of it as well, you can on my Patreon. The link's in my bio. Diolch, have a good one.